how to see your subscribers on YouTube. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now, when you were to, if you were to go to your YouTube channel, all you can basically see is your total amount of subscribers, but you can actually see, you can't actually see the detailed subscribers amount. So you can see who exactly, like every single person. So if you want to check that out, then what you can actually do is click on the top right and go to your YouTube studio. If you click on there, your YouTube studio will open up and you simply have to scroll down to see recent subscribers. So there you actually want to click on and click on see all. Now, once you click on there, you can actually see every single subscriber. It's currently set to the last 90 days. So you can also click on my lifetime. And then it's set to subscriber count automatically. You can also do the date subscribed, so you can actually see the very first person that has subscribed to your channel, and also the opposite, like the latest. Wait, actually, this is the very last, and this is the very first subscriber. So yeah, they can also do this. Like I said, you can change this to 7 days, 28, 90, lifetime. It doesn't really matter. You can also scroll the pages over here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.